This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Alphabet's drone delivery service, Wing, has formed a partnership with Walmart to bring drone deliveries to the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. This collaboration was announced on a recent Thursday, with Walmart stating that this alliance would enable the retail giant to provide deliveries to an additional 60,000 homes. In the upcoming weeks, Wing is set to commence drone deliveries from a Walmart Supercenter located in Frisco, Texas, and it plans to expand its service to a secondary nearby store by the end of the current year. The delivery range will cover homes within 6-mile radius of these stores, with the promise of deliveries being completed in under 30 minutes. Despite the drones being described as highly automated, operators will still supervise their operations remotely. Walmart has been actively exploring drone delivery solutions for some time now. Apart from partnering with Wing, the company has also collaborated with DroneUp, Zipline, and Flytrex with the aim of providing drone deliveries to millions of households across the United States. Currently, Walmart offers drone deliveries in 36 stores spanning 7 states, boasting a successful track record of 10,000 completed deliveries. This success puts Walmart ahead of Amazon's drone program in terms of numbers of deliveries made. Wing has shared details about the range of products that will be available for delivery through their service in partnership with Walmart. The drone company has been working closely with Walmart to offer a wide range of items, from complete meals to quick snacks and even over-the-counter medicines. Notably, the service is designed to accommodate delicate items like eggs, as the drone utilizes a gentle tethering system. This collaboration is a significant milestone for Wing. The company recently unveiled its innovative logistics systems, which allow drones to initiate pickups and deliveries without having to return to their base locations. In the preceding year, Wing initiated its drone delivery service in Dallas, catering to deliveries from stores such as Walgreens and Bluebell Creameries. Additionally, it partnered with DoorDash to provide food deliveries in Australia. Upon the launch of this new service, Wing will offer deliveries from Walmart 6 days a week, excluding Wednesday during the hours of 10:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Residents in the Dallas-Fort Worth area can check their eligibility for this service by downloading Wing's mobile app. In summary, the collaboration between Wing and Walmart brings drone delivery services to the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, expanding Walmart's reach to an additional 60,000 homes. This partnership marks a significant investment in drone delivery technology and offers a diverse range of products for quick and efficient delivery. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.